Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about Union Labs. Okay, Union Labs is a blockchain interoperability developer creating a cross-chain bridge using zero knowledge proofs. Okay, and they have raised a total of 16 million. And here are their lead investors. Okay, you can see they have some good investors, and they have a testnet going all right now. We can earn XP by using the testnet. Okay, so what you want to do is come to the dashboard. Okay, come to the dashboard. Make sure you connect your three socials. You connect your Twitter account, you connect your Discord account, and join the Union Discord server. Okay, I'll be leaving all the links in the description, so don't worry. Connect your GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, just go ahead and create one. Okay, so you make sure you complete. Some of these quests are not expired yet. Okay, you can complete them, and the highest XP I've seen so far is I think 450. Okay, that's what I have seen. Okay, so it's very kind of tedious to get XP. Okay, and you have to go ahead, and you can see we have a task here. We have to use a testnet 9 to complete this quest, which just gives us 5 XP. You can see how important these XPs are. Okay, so what do we want to do? I have made a list here. I'll be leaving this in the description. Okay, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so we want to connect our wallets. Make sure you have the Kepler wallet installed. Okay, this is Kepler wallets. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, so and this is a test net. Sometimes you are going to be facing a lot of issues. Okay, but don't worry, it's a test net. That's why it's called a test net. Okay, so you need to download Kepler wallet and a MetaMask wallet. Okay, so after downloading your Kepler wallets, head over to your wallet section. Just click on this section right here. Okay, this section, that's your wallets. When you click on it, you're going to see all your wallet addresses. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see these are my wallet addresses. Make sure you connect your Kepler. Okay, the Kepler is on the Cosmos ecosystem, so we are going to be giving all these wallets right here. Okay, this is your Union address. This is your Celestia address. This is the Babylon address. I think this is Stargaze address. This is Stride, but Stride hasn't been added to the testnet yet. Okay, make sure you join my Telegram. When they add it, I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Okay, so after connecting our wallets, we need to go ahead and claim faucets. Okay, we have to claim faucets. We need to claim Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, we need to claim Union faucets. We need to claim Stars faucets. We need to claim the Babylon faucets also. So first of all, let's go ahead and claim the Union faucet. Okay, head over to the Union dashboard. Okay, this is the Union dashboard. Here is where we do our transfers and claim faucets. So when you come here, connect your MetaMask wallet and your Kepler wallet. Okay, Kepler, Kepler. Okay, just search for it on your Google Chrome and your wallet will pop up. Just install it. You create and you save your seed phrase. I know you all know how to do this. Okay, so I don't have to go into details. So when you come here, when you connect your wallets, all your addresses are going to be linked to your wallet. Okay, so don't worry. So when you come here, click on verify. I have already claimed my tokens. Okay, my test tokens, so I can go ahead and claim again. Okay, I have to wait a little while. So you come here, you click on verify, verify, and verify. Okay, you wait for the recaptcha, and your tokens are going to be sent into your Kepler wallet. Okay, so after receiving your Union facets, you see, just wait for the recaptcha to verify. Okay, there's a recaptcha bot here. It will just load right under this thing. Okay, but don't worry, wait for the recaptcha to verify your browser. After doing that, you need to open your Kepler wallet. Okay, let's go ahead and copy our Union address. Copy your Union address. Open your Kepler wallet. So after opening your wallet, make sure you click on these three dots. Okay, click on manage chain visibility. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to this page right here. Okay, let's go ahead and add the Union testnet. Okay, you can see this is Union testnet. Okay, you just go ahead and take this, scroll down and click on save. You see, so after doing that, you need to send some small amount of Union Testnet tokens to your own self, okay, to your own address to activate your wallet. If you don't do it, you can't use the testnet, okay. So let's go ahead and send some small amount of Union Testnet tokens to ourselves. So what you have to do is open your wallets. Click on, you can see the tokens we received are here, okay. After claiming your facet, your tokens will be showed here in your Kepler wallet. So click on send. Let's select Union. Okay, paste your own Union wallet address. Okay, this is my wallet address. Type 0.1231. Okay, click next, approve. Okay, so we have sent Union to our own wallets. Okay, we have activated our wallets. Let's go ahead and get into the transactions. Okay, so after claiming our faucets and guys, don't worry about this, okay? You can just go ahead and reset. It's just a recaptcha. You just have to reload your browser, okay? They will send you their facets, okay? Don't worry. So after we claim our Union facet and activate our wallets, we need to go ahead and claim Sepolia ETH tokens, okay? I hope you all know what it is. Okay, you need to claim Sepolia Ethereum tokens, okay? Head over to this site and you need a Gitcoin passport of just two. Okay, you just go to the Gitcoin Passport website, connect your Google account, your Discord, and your GitHub. Okay, so after connecting that, you should get at least 2 score of humanity. Okay, so just come here. Let's copy our Ethereum wallet and paste it. Okay, so after we paste our Ethereum wallet address, let's go ahead and complete the captcha. Okay, you just complete this captcha and click start mining. Okay, let me go ahead and show you. So you claim Sequoia facets here. Okay, so just come here, you paste your wallet address, you make sure you go to the Gitcoin Passport website and connect just your email, your Discord, and you should have all that, okay, your Twitter accounts, okay. You should just connect that and you get at least a Gitcoin passport of 2. So you come here, you click on start mining, the Sepolia tokens will be mined to your wallet, okay. So after we claim our Sepolia, we need to go ahead and claim um stars, okay, Stargaze. Just go to the Stargaze, um can go to their Discord, okay, or go to this website right here. Can go to this website right here and claim the facet, but I prefer to claim the Stargaze facets from their own Discord. Okay, let's go ahead and copy our Stargaze wallet. So you come to your dashboard, you look for the stars address, okay, copy, and let's go to their Discord. Okay, so we are here. We need to look for the facets. Okay, on the Stargaze Discord. Okay, just look for facets. Come here, you scroll down. So let's input our address and request for facets. Okay, so so you type request spacebar, paste your wallet address and click send. Okay, you can see they have been sent to our testnet wallets. Let's go ahead and claim Babylon facets. Copy our Babylon address. Let's head over to the Babylon Discord. Okay, so when you get to the Babylon Discord, make sure you join the server. Okay, you just verify yourself, pass the captcha. Scroll down to the facet test baby. Okay, come here, type exclamation mark facets. You paste your Babylon address, click send. Okay, so the tokens are going to be sent to your address. So after doing all that, you are just left with transactions. This is very easy, okay? It's not complicated. Okay, if you face any issue, just comment below. So let's go ahead and make some transactions. Okay, you can see our facet also worked. Okay, so just stay on the site and wait for the captcha. Click on submit. Okay, the facets are going to be sent to your wallet. So now we have claimed all the facets for the chains we need to do transactions on. Okay, just click on transfer right here. Okay, so when you get on this page, this is where you do your transactions. Okay, make sure you are able to transfer tokens to all the chains you see here. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to transfer from Union Testnet 9 to Koleski. Okay, so this we transfer from Union Testnet 9 to Koleski, and this is the token we want to transfer to Koleski. You understand? So let me show you. We have stars and we have the Union tokens on the Union chain. Okay, so I want to transfer Union to Koleski. Let me type 0.005. Okay, your wallets are already connected. So just click on this use connected wallets. They are going to select your Holeski address for you. Okay, so you can see the Union Testnet line to Holeski is not activated yet. Okay, so if you see this, just click on the Holeski button and change to Sepolia. Okay, we want to now transfer from Union Testnet 9 to Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, so we enter the balance we want to transfer to Sepolia and click use connected wallets. You can see this route is also off. Let's go ahead and check the Babylon or Stargaze testnet. Okay, want to transfer from Union Testnet 9 to Stargaze. You can see this one worked. Okay, most they posted on their Twitter. This they are making some few maintenance. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram. I'll be updating you if they go live, so you can do your transactions. Okay, so you transfer from Union Testnet 9 to Stargaze. Okay, so all you have to do is enter the amount you want to transfer. Click on the connected wallets. If you can't find your wallet, just head over to the dashboard, click on the wallet section, and you're going to see your wallet addresses here. So let's transfer some Union to Stargaze testnet. Click on transfer. Let's confirm the transfer. So you are going to see a pop-up message in your wallet. Just click on approve to accept the transaction. Okay. So you can see we are transferring Union Testnet 9 to Stargaze. You don't have to wait for this to complete. Just go back and click on transfer again. We have made our first transaction. Okay. And you need to make sure transfer Union to all the available chains. The Holeski bridge is not working right now. It's under maintenance. Okay. It's under maintenance. So if you face any issues, it's not your fault. Make sure you join our Telegram. I'll be updating you whenever it goes live. Okay. So after we've made our first transaction, let's go ahead and make another transaction. Make sure you are able to accumulate more than 50 transactions across all the chains. Okay. You know how to claim the Sepolia. I taught you how to claim the Sepolia. So make sure you claim facets for all the chains on here. Okay. Your Babylon facets, your Holeski facets, the Holeski, you can just bridge Union to Holeski and bridge from Holeski back to Union. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a Stargaze testnet transaction to the Union testnet 9. Okay, here we transfer the stars we claim from the Discord to Union testnet 9. Okay, this is the assets. Okay, so let's go ahead and enter. We want to transfer 2 stars to our Union wallet. Okay, you don't have to copy the wallet and paste it all the time. They just suggest for you. Okay, so don't worry, just click on use connected wallets. Let's click on transfer, confirm the transfer. So our third transaction will be from Babylon testnet to the Union testnet 9 chain. Okay, so we claim Babylon testnet on the Babylon Discord. Okay, you can see we have 0.3. So let's go ahead and transfer some to our Union testnet. So enter 0.0005. Okay, use connected wallets. Okay, like I said, you don't have to paste your wallet all the time. Just click on the button use connected wallets and your wallets will be pasted here for you directly. Okay, let's go ahead and transfer from Babylon testnet to the Union testnet. Okay, so another transaction we want to do is transfer from Sepolia to Stargaze testnet. Okay, you can transfer any assets. Okay, so you open your Sepolia chain. Okay, these are the assets you have on Sepolia. If you want to get more assets on your Sepolia, just head over to Uniswap. Okay, when you get here, click on the wallet icon After you click on the wallet icon, click on settings and turn on testnet mode. If you don't turn on testnet mode, you are going to be on the main net, which means you are using your real funds. Okay, so make sure testnet mode is on. After doing that, so if you have Sepolia in your wallet, just go ahead and swap to any token you want. Okay, any token. You can swap to USDC. Okay, you can swap 0.005. Okay, so you swap this to USDC. Okay, you can see I have some USDC already. Okay, so I don't have to swap again. So after you swap, I'll be leaving the chains here. You can swap. Okay, you can swap to MI wrapped Ethereum. Okay, OKB, MKUSD, Mine Ethereum USD, Ape Uni USDT, all of them. Okay, you can swap your Sepolia to any of these tokens. Okay, swap to any of these tokens and you come to your Union transfer dashboard. When you come there, you are going to see all the tokens you swapped. You can see I swapped my wrapped Ethereum. Okay, mitosis wrapped Ethereum. Okay, this is on the mitosis chain. Okay, so I swapped some Ethereum to my Ethereum. Okay, let's go ahead and transfer anything, any token on the Sepolia. Okay, I want to transfer USDC. Let's transfer 5 USDC to Stargaze Testnet. Okay, click on transfer, confirm the transfer, sign the transaction in your wallet, and that's all. And make sure you are using the Union Testnet every day. Make sure you do about 20, at least 20 transactions every day to get your XP up. Okay, I didn't know this until yesterday. Okay, you don't have to skip a day. Make sure you join our Telegram also. Okay, make sure you join our Telegram. I'll be updating you guys. We post a lot of airdrops, and yes, that's all for Union Testnet 9, and they raised 16 million. So I don't think you want to fade on them. There is an XP program, which means you are going to be getting rewarded because there's no need for XP if you know you're not going to reward your testers. Okay, so that's all about Union Testnets. If you don't um if you don't get anything, you can just leave a comment below. Okay, if you face any issue, you can just leave a comment below. I'll help you. If you're on a mobile phone, just go ahead and use the Kepler wallet and download the MetaMask app. You are going to be able to use it. There's a browser feature in the Kepler wallet. Okay, you can just go ahead and do all these transactions. Okay, and guys, just you have to know it's a test net. Okay, it's a test net. The developers are trying to test their project. Okay, and we are helping them. Okay, and in return, we are going to be getting rewarded for that help we are giving them. Okay, so if you face issues, it's very normal. Okay, sometimes if you face issue, you can even go on their Discord and report the issue to the team. Okay, they are going to make sure they fix it. Okay, that's why it's called a test net. We need to give them our feedbacks. Okay, so recording testnet videos aren't that easy. Okay, you have to be cutting a lot because there are a lot of bugs on the website sometimes. Okay, so that's all for the video. Make sure you join our Telegram. Okay, that's very important. Keep grinding. Okay, peace.